I have been having sex with my sister's husband for over 8 years now. I recently found out that I am a few weeks pregnant. Me have my own man, who I have been also sleeping with on a regular basis, but I only know him for about 6 months now. The thing is, how I got her husband to sleep with me is an oil with love spells called Strong Love. Some people might know it by another name. I rub up in it, and one day, when me and him was there alone, I went to sit in front of him and open my legs. He saw that I wasn't wearing panty, and we took it from dear. She always get the best men, yet she is not more attractive than me. I always get the shitty men, who always leave after a while. I know the baby belongs to my sister's husband because me and him have sex the most. I want to take him over for myself. I don't fully know if I want to break up with my man, but I am so attached to my sister's husband that I feel like he's such a part of me. Every time I hear a love song, I think of him. He takes care of me and makes me feel like a lady. It's sick me to my stomach when I see them together, and one night I heard them having sex. The next day I pick a big fight with my sister. She thought I was fighting her for my blouse that I couldn't find, but I drag her hair out and everything for sexing my man. I hate her very much, and it's only getting worse day by day. I haven't told him that I am pregnant. I'm keeping it for later today so that I can ruin it for them.